Chemical application service. You will need the following items. You will need 3 storage containers, 1 for your foil highlight service, 1 for your hydroxide virgin relaxer service, and the third one will be for your hydroxide relaxer retouch service. You will need a storage bag labeled pre-sanitized implements. You will need to maintain your drape, so you will need 2 towels and a cape. You will need a foiling comb. You will need an all-purpose comb. You will need applicator brushes. You will need protective cream. You will need gloves. You will need foils. You will need clippies. And lastly, you will need a large storage bag labeled Chemical Application Service Pre-Sanitized Implements. That concludes the items needed for the chemical application service.